How you doing, man? Good to see you. How you been?
Doing all right. Doing all right.
Look out, man. We out here at the Summit Racing in Arlington at the RCDL, the RC Drag Racing League, man. Yeah, out here in Arlington. They put no prep. They putting prep on tires, getting everything slicked up, juiced up, oiled up, stickied up. They get it. Yeah, I'm in Dallas. We in Arlington at Summit. Yes, sir. Okay, bet. They say this car right here is sponsored by Patron, man.
Is it?
Yeah, cause look, you got the Patron bottle holding it up.
Oh, no, shit. That's when you ain't got enough money for a bunch of tire stands.
Oh, okay. Okay. They said shout out to Patron Silver one time for the one time.
Oh, yeah, no doubt.
He said no doubt. My last electric bill was 1,700 kW kilowatts per hour. Is that good? Burning $26 a day in electricity. God dang. Now I know a little calculation, and $20 a day equals, for a month, equals $600 a month. Plus 6 times 30, 6 plus another 180. So you paying $780 a month in electricity? God.
Hell no.
That's too much, ain't it?
Too much.
Is he stunned? You think he's stunned?
I think he's that.
He talking about, yeah, dude, I'm spending $26 a day in electricity alone.
I'd be sitting in the dark. I'm blowing some candles.
Man, he probably stunned, man. Ain't nobody electric bill. That sound like a rent. That sound like a little rent. Okay, they got some food. Little small block. No cam. Small block, no cam, y'all. Golly, he said he's spending all that money. Look out, how y'all doing over here? Where y'all from? Oh, you from Dallas? Cedar Hill? Golly, they turn them up. Man, y'all ain't turn y'all's up.
No. Oh, I will.
Oh, you will though? Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all be making.
Body on there.
Oh, you got a new body?
Yes, I tore up the other one.
What? What y'all gonna name this one? Drag bug?
Drag bug, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Got the little drag bug with the pro lines on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. My partner saying he burning $26 a day in electric bill. His bill high, ain't it? He spending $26 a day. I don't know what he doing over there. I think you growing something over there, man, or what? You got some lights? That's what it sound like, right? He doing something else. Where you from with that high bill? Drag bug say, oh, see? Yeah, Golden State said he got plants. See? I want all my 26 a day if I was you. Make sure I can get that back. Y'all stuff look brand new. Y'all ain't been wrecking?
They've been racing.
Oh, okay. Y'all be going to this y'all first no prep, or y'all go to prep races?
It's the first one.
First one?
No prep, yeah.
Okay, y'all be at the prep ones.
A couple.
Couples, yeah.
Can you tell the difference?
Don't know yet.
Oh, don't know you.
Me, no, but I'm not that.
You ain't that good, Jack?
No, not at all.
I was trying to see if that 60 foot was right or not. I was just trying to check it out. I'ma see in a minute. I see y'all got some 2-cell 5800 battery. Y'all got everything, man. Well, good luck to y'all. Good luck to y'all. I'ma see you. Oh, that was his truck. I seen that truck a while ago. Look, they got glue on there for him. I know that they work. Look out, look out. Oh, you putting that glue on there?
Super glue.
Let me see how you be doing.
That's super glue.
Yeah.
Dad, we're on Twitch.
Yeah, I'm on Twitch, man. Okay. So one drop will get both sides?
Oh yeah.
Okay. He out here, he gluing it down, y'all. And so what you leave it on there until it's ready? How long can it stay on there and be like ready?
That one I just put it on there. So
Okay.
Then before that one I put that one on so you can see it.
Oh yeah. So it do dry up.
Touch it, see how sticky it
Oh yeah, it got, y'all see that? Leave my fingerprint in there, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And it be good for the rest of the day?
is. No, you do never run.
You need to run it in probably, what, an hour? Within an hour of you putting it on?
No, just leave it on there and then you go run and then come back and put it on again.
Okay. Well, hey, good luck to you. Where you from?
Tyler.
Tyler. Shout out to Tyler. Tyler in the building. Tyler, Texas. We're going to see what they got. They got 3-4 cars here.
Yeah, we're not gonna run them all. We tested a few of them just to see. But
Okay. What's your number one? Who you run? Which one you running?
the Losey's what he runs,
Okay.
and then this is his outlaw car, but we got some work to do to it. And then this is his 13.5 car, but we got some work to do to it. So
Okay.
he's gonna run the Losey. I'm gonna
Okay.
run the DR10 and the 13.5, and then the Nova and the Street Eliminator. There'll be Young
okay.
Gunners and Street Eliminator with that.
Okay.
So good
That's
stuff.
clear. We used to use wintergreen spirit for traction compound.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you use that? That's you ever heard of
Simple
it?
Green.
Oh, okay.
People using Simple Green to clean it and stuff.
Oh, okay. Somebody on here. He trying to.
Wintergreen, huh?
Yeah, wintergreen spirit for traction compound.
Huh. Might
Yeah.
have to check that out.
Yeah, check it out, man. You got some phones?
No,
You ain't got
I
phones?
don't run phones on these.
Do you believe in them? Do they?
Yeah, we run the phones on our felony and infraction
Okay.
for the local dope rip racing
Oh, okay. For the local no pro. Okay.
on the all-wheel drive cars.
And they make them faster?
It just depends on what service you're on.
Oh, okay.
Some of the phones work better on, and then
Some of them work off.
drives work better on others.
Okay, I
If you
got you.
sealed asphalt, it seems like the phones work better, but if it's unsealed, the rubber seems to work better.
Okay, I got you now then. I got you. Well, hey, I can't
Anything
wait.
will work on concrete though.
Anything will?
But it eats up the phone so fast. I mean, it eats
God,
up whatever.
damn.
You gotta watch the back up here.
Yeah, I'm gonna move. I'm finna move, man. Yeah, I'm finna move. They done made a shake, man. Well, good luck to y'all, man. I'm gonna be watching.
Thanks, buddy.
You already know I'm on Twitch, right? Oh, really? I was just making sure. Look, I appreciate it.